Shimatsu 150 L40 series machine. This one, when you power it up, it will give us an error saying that the battery is empty. There you can see it, panel battery warning. So we'll need to replace the battery and then just reset the machine and set it up from scratch. In part 1 of this video, we will replace the battery and do a reset on the unit. After that, we will, in the next video, go through the initial settings and how to set it up, and then after that we'll go through the calibration as well. So without further ado, let's start. To replace the battery in this unit, we need to switch it off. So using my favorite screwdriver, I will remove all these silly screws. Okay, there's all the screws nicely together. Now, when opening this, there are some cables running from the front to the CPU board. So when you open it up, you need to take care and slowly open it, as you'll see now. I'm going to flip it over little by little, so you can see the wires and there it goes between the two pieces. So you're going to flip it back and just pick it up a little bit, and then you'll see in there to loosen them, you just flip the levers back down, and those will come out. So just look and bring it back to unlock it. Now we have those separated. Display. Next step. Okie dokie. Now to release it, just flip the little catch to the rear and the battery will pop out. The battery, slide it in from the side and just push down and it will clip in. Now that that's done, you can reassemble. Remember the earth wire, that's quite important, especially for static discharge. You'll find that often when you approach the machine and to touch it, you'll get the discharge between your fingers and the machine, and this can actually reduce damage as you will spark to the metal, which is earthed and not through the boards in the rear, which will then protect your machine from static damage. Oops. to. It's just us. Unfortunately, when I started the video, I did not show you the battery panel warning in detail that we received at the bottom. I'm going to unplug this cable for now so it's easy to work with the unit. Now we need to reinstall these. To reinstall it, it's quite simple. Just for this fluffy thing here. Just put it up, and then we just have to slide those in again. Keep your hands up. Oh, there we go. Okie dokie. Nice and loose. We push these back. For this, we have to remove these things because they are cumbersome for these small, interesting, fine work that we're doing. So you just push it in and then slide the top over again. Difficult angle to show it on video. It's easier if you don't have to work around getting a view on the camera to get these in again. Yeah, let's see. Now I can see it better. So push it in underneath. And once it's in all the way, just push the retaining clip back again. Slide in underneath, push it forward and lock it in position. Slide it in underneath, just slide in like this, and then lock it in position. Once all three are locked, you need to slowly move it a little bit back and flip it to get it past those catches on the other side. Let's flip it out. Past the speaker. With the speaker wire just over there. And now in this position, just double check that very nicely. This one is pulled out just a tad. And loosen it, push it in again and lock it. Oops. Could have been worse. You could have been trying to make coffee at the same time. There we go. This last one again. Slide it in underneath. Put it in position. Now we can do that back. You'll see all three are in there. So after that stressful deal, you can flip it over and start assembling again. console cable. There we go. Power up the DB. And now, in order to reset the panel, press those two buttons at the same time and hold them. Press this one and power it up. We're going to get the panel battery warning because the battery was removed, and now we can let go. Now it's going to synchronize from the console to the cabinet, taking data from here to the cabinet, and after that it's going to restore from the cabinet back to the console to synchronize both units so that they're in sync. This will reset your technique settings, your initial settings, and your APRs, so you'll have to reset those again from scratch. Let's wait for it to finish. And there our unit is back online. Let's power down again. And now let's see if we still get the battery warning. No warning, no error, boots up, remembering the last settings on there. Awesome. And that's how simple and difficult it is to replace the battery and reset the console once the battery goes flat. Thank you for watching this video with me, and until the next video, stay safe.